welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back again with guess who? Love me here, because you guys have been loving the wigs. We're back again with another one for your head top. So we're just gonna go right into it. I'm just gonna show you what we have in this week's package and show you the units that we're working with today. So this week we got a wig cap, we also got a tag, a lace tape, we have a thank you card, a section clip, adjustable strap, storage bag, tag, and of course the wig that we will be working with today. So this is a NatureMAX Silky Straight Glueless ear to ear wig, and as you can see it is straight, and we have adjustable straps, you know, the drawstring feature, everything. If you make sure so the wig's tape on your head. Now look at this, bam, as I put it on, where the lace there. If somebody can find the lace, please direct me to it. Yes, glueless, and you cannot see it. That's LUVME's game if you're not familiar with it. So we're just going to get into styling this, and then I'll show you guys the finished product in like a minute or so.
I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, break it up, break it up, break it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, bag it up, fuck 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 it up, break it up, break it up, break it up. Well, I'm the dope boy, the one they talking about. All these gossiping ass niggas got my name in their mouth. I know the bad bitches, but no niggas who bitches too. They should bleed once a month, cause that's what these bitches do. You a bitch, and you bitch should expose you. All that pillow talking nigga, that what the hoes do. You a bitch. Word to my nigga short, we won't never.
And yeah, this is how it is looking. As I said again, this is a glueless unit, but you know how LUVME glueless units go to work. So guys, PSA, every time I post one of these mentions, somebody come in my DM asking me for the link to the wig. The link to the wig is at the very top of my description box. All you have to do is take the video off full screen and expand the description box down below, and you will find the link to this direct unit or any of the others I've reviewed in the past. So yeah, that's it for today's unit. Incredibly soft. As I can see, it's a body, it's bouncing, it's moving. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to go ahead and click the link, save some dollars with my discount code, and yeah, let's get into the rest of the vlog. You guys didn't get a chance to see this, but I just got my hair done. I just got my hair texture released at Shades of Elegance in Olaba, and I was trying to wrap it last night, but the wrapping was not working out, so I decided that I was gonna do some heatless curls. The ear today was Sunday, it's Friday evening. I'm gonna do heatless curls, and if it don't turn out good, I'm not straight by the ear, I'm not add no extra heat to the ear, so we're gonna see how it turns out together. If you didn't see the reel on my Instagram, you should definitely go and check it out so you can see how full of body my hair literally look like it relaxed. I don't know if I can see good. Give you guys a bit of view. So yeah, someone taught me how to do this when I did my raw body wave bundles in December. So big up my sister all the time. One swan over two, one swan on the up, one petite on the up. Yeah, the battery won't change, but I change the battery and then we'll do the reveal. My nervy nose, me so nervous, my nervy nose. Alright, moment of truth. Why? My curl straighten. How did I do this? It does not look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. So this is how it's looking afterwards. I can admit when I'm wrong about something and I should have left it straight. I hope that in the coming days the curls will fall and it will go back. But yeah, this is it. I preferred it in its straight state, but I'm enough, so this is what I did. This is how it looks. It doesn't look bad, but I preferred it straight. Like I could have kept it straight for longer and then did this. But yeah, hopefully the curls fall. Why my edges look like this? Like, anyways, yeah. So, mama. Now, actually, let me just talk to you guys like this. So, over the weekend, the past week was not my best week, and it came with a lot of revelations about myself. Things that I'm going to have to change in my life that are completely out of my control, right? I went to the hairdresser and I found out that my hair was damaged. So in this week I'm gonna go to Discount Beauty and buy a line that she suggested, because when she showed me and when she explained what was happening, I could understand. Because I don't know if you guys remember, because I had said it on the vlog a while ago, that my hair is sometimes very dry and I don't know what to use to moisturize it. So she recommended a whole line by Design Essentials that's formulated for natural hair, that I'm going to go ahead and get. So I need to get that in this week. Not that I'm going to wash my hair anytime soon or anything, because once I wash it, it'll go back to its natural state. But if I straighten it again, then it will come back straight. But yeah, this is the hair. I love it. It has so much body. It's so bouncy. I'll add a video on the screen of when I just got it done. Hopefully these fall. I hope it acts like raw hair and just fall. Because why did I do it? I'm so enough. Like it's so enough. But yeah, that's the game plan for this week's vlog. Don't expect it to be as long as the other vlogs I've been putting out, because there has been a lot of complaints, and yeah, so I'm just genuinely doing what I can and stopping right there. Yeah, so I'll wrap my hair tonight. Yeah, I'll wrap my hair tonight and see if we can get rid of some of these curls. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next clip when I'm actually getting the stuff done that I need to get done. So I'm applying these clusters. I don't know where it's from. Ow! But this is the name of it. My mother-in-law gave it to me, so I'm assuming it's from Tik Tok shop. More than likely it's from Tik Tok shop. But this is how they look inside. They are self-adhesive, self-gray. That word they write this, so I'm not gonna even bother try bite my tongue for pronounce it. Eyelash sweet. So it's really easy to apply. I started a while ago, I don't think I can see, but it's super easy to apply. And I'm using this, like it said it would stick by itself with them there, and it did stick by itself, but I just used this lash adhesive plus the lash adhesive that I got from a set that Suan gave me a while back for a little extra security. I probably come with it in the next clip, and I just say, when did you get your lashes done? So I'm just showing up. I have to turn it on the side of the mirror was super magnified because I can't see. So this is how it looks with one eye completed. I went for a classic look, but never. So I just used the top 3 rows, as you can see. 10s, 12s, and 2 14s at the end. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other eye. So both eyes are done now, so I'm going to take this, I think I showed a while ago, it's a sealant. A long time I use them something, you know, I don't even know if them still like can use. Murder. This can't use at all. Yeah, we're not gonna use a lash sealant, so the lash I'm just gonna stay there on them on, and I'll probably just go on that. Can't even lock back. I'll probably just go on that with them somewhere in the glue so it sticks for you. So yeah, those are my cluster lashes. By the way, this is how the hair looks after the curls fell. We're basically straight again, so it did act like raw hair, which it is raw hair, so happy about that. Make her wrap it tonight, see if we can, you know, get it back straighter. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday. Oh, now I'm put this a little bit higher. The fire is so large. It's giving far dirty and it can't fit in the frame. Good morning, guys. So it is Thursday. It's tomorrow will make 1 week since I straightened my hair, and as you saw, the day after I curled it and I wrap it back, it just come back straight, and it's just been straight ever since. So I'm going on the road to, because I don't want to curl it up back right now, I'm going on the road to Discount Beauty to get the products that I told you guys about, the design essentials stuff. Sporting my meta glasses today because POV, you know, and POV you're not gonna get. Then I'm going to the supermarket because I want to start making, well, I'm going to make ginger turmeric shots, to ginger turmeric liquid to take shots of every day, because I'm gonna have the shot buckle and I have shot glass, I have double shot glass, so I feel like say that can work. And then I'm going to the car wash, and I'm not gonna say that you guys never see the car wash. So yeah, my baby is very dirty and he needs to be cleaned, so we're gonna, even though it looks like it's gonna rain, hopefully I can just do what I need to do before it starts. I'm showing the outfit. I can't show it right here, so because it's she okay. So I'm just wearing this black top. All of my basic tops, if you see me in a blank top like this, just know that it's from Shein. And these shorts and these slides have become my road slides. Like I just shove my foot in them whenever I go road. And then I've been carrying this clip around on my bag for when, like, it's been raining a lot, as I said. So if I want just if I clip up the ear, it's right there. So yeah. Fun fact, I've had these shorts for over a year and I've only worn them once because I just can't get into the crotches part. But I don't know, sometimes it look weird. Like a while ago my favorite drape post because it was like this, right, and then I put it down and then it just baggy, and that's why I just always end up putting it back in. But I think it look alright now. I think under my navel is where it's supposed to sit. Can you Hey, the camera very nonsensical, you know. But yeah. It look alright? I think it looks okay now. But anyways, we're almost at discount. Why is there traffic? It's 12:40. Why is there traffic out here? It's half a tree still, but yeah. The biggest problem now is gonna be finding the actual product. Here we go. So I need almond and avocado line, but they don't seem to have all the stuff. Where's the shampoo? Alright, so they don't have the conditioner in the line, so I'm using this one and these two and this. So yeah, anglers, anybody will vlog and ever try going at that store there and try vlog, know what we just get with it. MURTER. Come in and know what in them no want nobody to see. After going in there. After not in there when I in another store, I don't know what. But anyways, I don't know if you look like you because I can't feel attack and I'm a troll cat teeth me a teeth and every day, understand? But I got the line very mixed match because I got a bigger size in the shampoo than the leave-in and the moisturizer, and then I get a different conditioner. I don't know which other hair store for go like cherry. I know say cherry. Them are people ask about cherries, but cherries they all the way down across. So I know me across there. So the line itself is the almond and avocado line, right? They never have the almond and avocado conditioner, so the lady told me that I can use the almond butter conditioner. No, if you don't know my ear, I know so this probably gonna last for one wash. Like my ears suck things on it. This was $1,400. Fontana never have it. Them have a different line, and I was told to specifically buy the almond and avocado line. So we're gonna, as I was saying, I like me wash my hair anytime, so I just wanted to get that expense out the way, and it was actually in the price range that I expected. If I got the smaller size for the shampoo, that would have hit the 10 grand idea that I had in my mind. So I'm going to go to Fontana actually to get my eco gel, because them have the big tub with like the handle, the handle, chummy, the handle. I never want that, so let's go to Fontana to get the gel. And then the supermarket. Car wash lock, so we can't go car wash today. I totally forgot that today is Thursday and the car wash is not open on Thursdays. Rena coming now? There. Hello. Thank you. I'm telling you the truth right now. I'm afraid to go to the supermarket because the rain, when we see, I fall my side. It's threatening me. It's like actually a threat. And the look at, you know what umbrella me take up? Although the umbrella that came with the car is in here, but I don't want to pull out that big umbrella. I brought this. That's the. This is the pow pow. But this a for show umbrella. You understand? This not a little curve, not a little hedge, not a little nothing. Not really protect it, just like, you know. Today what? Thursday. We probably go to the supermarket on Saturday. I just not feel like I for risk it. I feel like they rain there tell me I forgot. Because I'm telling you something. So when the rain been fall these days, I don't know. So I look at showers, you know. Road a flood out and you wonder if you can't go shut off by your type of rain. I'm really lip on it today. The flash flood did extend to Monday. It's now Thursday and the rain never fall for the rain never fall Monday. It fall yesterday. But it wasn't that much. But I come go on because I'm not chance it. Yeah, I'm not gonna chance it. I'm not chance it. So yeah, I got me at. Hi, how are you guys? I would say good morning, but it's not morning, it's afternoon. So you're probably like, Shami, why are you still in your pajamas? And that is because, so why my phone now? Like, it's upon 30 seconds on it now. Like, you see Apple? Counting this. Anyways, we're going to lunch after 1 hour when I start getting ready. But we're going to lunch at Mystic Type because I decided I wanted to come out to the house. So I'm showing my little house before my bed. I wear a little dress here, honestly I don't like this type of material, like, but I don't know if you understand what I say, but I really like it. Someone just say just wear it and get started away. I wear my bag and my bridges, nothing serious. But yeah, I go start get ready. Some cute montage. I don't know. There was indeed no montage because I was kind of racing the clock. I don't know why I'm racing the clock because there's no rush. We didn't set a reservation or anything. Hopefully they have. Why wouldn't they have tables? It's a random Saturday. Anyways, this is what I did with the hair. I did like the little spiky bun, little bang, and this is how the dress is looking. Let me show you guys in the mirror. This is how the dress is looking. As I said, I don't like the material, so it's just like, you know, wear it and get it out of the way. Plus, when I save the clothes for, you know, not saving it for anything. So this is how we're looking. I changed my mind, but I wear the bridges. Also, why did bridges feel like them for raise them price when them still have the most uncomfortable slippers known to man? Why wouldn't I never add an insole and then raise the prices? That makes no sense, but hey, yeah, man, I wear bridges. Yeah, make sure of that. And I just have to wear my regular Tommy Hilfiger slides. Yeah, it's so cute looking, you know? Yeah. So we're gonna go to lunch. Yeah, sure no one will reach the damage that we do. Blind girl problems. Me have to figure out how to set the glasses. Eh? No, me have to try to figure out how to set the glasses. Oh, hi.
Bleaky, that's her phone, huh?
Say hi. Say
hi. Hi.
Oh, what is
I'm a
that?
matcha body. Body matcha, big up Zoom. Come on, nobody come for me. But yeah, matcha body. Let me show them matcha.
Nobody cares.
I'm show matcha. Some people get upset.
I promise you, nobody cares.
Some people get upset.
I promise you,
Some
nobody cares.
Let me show them matcha.
Anyways, we're gonna head out. We're gonna head out.
We can be closer. I played those same games 1,000 times over, and you played those all.
America so nice, but the Bellini, whatever, it's peach Bellini. Peach Bellini. It's the boss. Hot. It's hot.
Ginger night.
Yeah.
Could I eliminate some of the ginger? No? Ginger strong.
I know some could eat so much food in the really and truly. This is what you call, you know, yeah, what you know. But like the new thing with the girl them started with them go to the restaurant and my name just eat beer, appetizer and food and believe. But how much food? But no more appetizer now come out. And the main course I come next. How are you feeling? Mommy isn't really a fan of the dumpling.
No, I don't like dumpling. It's ginger in there is a little bit too much, but the crispy, whatever.
Or the chicken salad, the crispy chicken salad.
Yeah, it's 12 out of 10.
And the chili shrimp roll, you know that?
Yeah.
Make it some money.
Yeah, the wrong hand.
Am I right? And on your
No, that and you give out money.
that on your scratch when me I get money. That on your scratch when me I give up money.
For you? This
Yeah.
is the hand when you're spend scratching you get it money. The one year, when you have your
When me I get money this scratch.
oh,
Yeah.
I never know. Works different for everybody.
Yeah. But we did the damage. That's it's full of what sweet pepper and something, so that's why it still look full. But the crispy
It's
noodles
nice.
part of it gone. My one gone because I'm already done. This is where the sushi was, the dumpling are the last thing for each and the first thing for Tinko. So this is really nice. This is a Bellini. Sorry it's dark, but yeah. This is a Bellini. Mommy got an Amarita sour. She like it, but she feel like it should have stronger. She prefer mine.
Yeah.
Is this a food review? You want a kick? You want a kick?
Kick was supposed to be in it.
No,
I
that's
thought
why
it-
people like it. It mellow, it make you feel like an liquor yard drink, but it creep up on you.
Well, this was where one thing that chicken to me. No, but that's true.
Mommy said like one flavor chicken.
One flavor.
Moment of truth. Let's see what it's giving.
Giving that to you.
You like it?
No, no, taste it. I just shot me and took out my mouth. Taste it. Not bad. No, but that's all.
The chicken?
Chicken is fine.
Giving what it needs to give. Whew. I've never done big back country like this in my life before. Please believe me. It might look like a lie me tell because when I'm doing the food, but I've never done this before. I'm not an appetizer kind of girl. I normally go straight for the main. You know what I'm gonna do when I reach home? I'm gonna take off my makeup, change my clothes, and go sleep.
Right.
Nigga right to hold me. Well, sometimes nothing to do, you know? We're just hungry.
Just hungry.
Just hungry. Guys, belly full. Mommy claims that she doesn't really love the main course as much as she loved the appetizers.
Yes, I did love that appetizer.
Me, on the other hand, that's not the case, as you can see. But my belly full.
And we switch drink.
Yeah, we switch drink because that tastes like perfume to me.
However,
And she switched drink with me and still I drink the Amarita sour. Mind you.
when I switched, this became so well.
Because
so
it's hot.
I have to put some ice in there,
Which
right?
is that so
So I
something supposed
did.
to drink.
I was to take a little sip back from my original drink. Nothing's wrong with that.
Of course something is wrong with that. I
No.
give my juice and I never take back no sip out
No.
of it. One big bumper I grew up on your forehead.
No.
But yeah, we're done. My belly can't manage nothing more. Nothing more. It's stuffed. So the rain is threatening, so I'm glad we're done in our own time and the rain not fall. So we can bring me because people 3 times flood rain fall and all 3 times me get caught a road in the flood. So me not in it a 4th time. But yeah, we're done. Guess how much the bill will come to? Put your answer them in the comments now before I actually get the bill. Guess. Moment of truth.
So much million
You
dollars.
lie. You think it'll come to more than 25,000?
That's so much.
I think it'll come to more.
At this place, this is whatever. Me I say so much I think that come tomorrow.
Honestly, I think this is gonna come to more. It's not bad. You see how much something we order yet?
I'm shocked.
She not shocked. But you see how much something we order?
I'm shocked.
Yeah.
I yet to them out for the drop man.
Rain did a fall, guys, actually. But at least out in our flood. That's it for us at Miss. You know, actually, I feel like so this is low-key one of my favorite places. I've been here like about 5 times now, and I just like it. I don't know. I just like it. So, ow, murder. I'm gonna let go of my arm. Yeah, I really like it. I really like it here. Last time I came was in April. Last time before that was my birthday. No complaints. Come like say like I reach you.
Who me?
Yeah.
Nope.
Yeah, move a little.
When I move nowhere, I know me not feel liquor.
You sound like you did want an extra drink.
I tell you, say, in have no liquor in there.
Oh, yeah, remade.
No, we are not made, but I mean, when you have a drink, it have a kick.
Oh.
Yeah. If you have a kick, you know the mirror?
You so do.
Hi guys.
When you see the kitchen after, like when you see this surrounding off, so take a wild guess who is here. I don't hear her laugh. Robin is here. Tell them hi.
Hi guys.
Your favorite cake girly. And that means that we're trying a cake. Today we're trying a fall inspired cheesecake, right? This is the pumpkin cheesecake.
Pumpkin spice cheesecake.
Pumpkin spice. I don't know me.
Yes,
I only feel about the pumpkin
spice.
spice. You know
She said she's never had
never
pumpkin
had
cheesecake before.
Is that a thing?
It's a thing, apparently. It's
I've
a
never
thing,
heard of it.
and it's a thing like during this season. I mean, I've never been a pumpkin cheesecake girly, but I've tried one before and it was so good, and I'm like, I have to do this. I have to do it. So,
I'm saying
hoping that. No, smell it. Smell the spices, girls. Smell the spice, and there's some ginger that. So you see that sprinkle on top? There's like ginger.
Smell like
Show them,
fall.
show the people them the cake. See the ginger, you know,
Yeah.
biscuit sprinkled, and then the base is also ginger. So I think like ginger, ginger pairs well with pumpkin. I think it brings out the flavor. So let's go. Get in there.
Moment
See what
of
she
truth. Very far, very Christmas.
Christmas.
I don't know. Me associate pumpkin spice with Christmas because it gives me an eggnog vibe. Very rich. Oh, I like it.
You do.
I do.
But a girl who told me that she don't like. When I told her about the pumpkin cheesecake, she was like, she don't know
But
what I want
I
there.
don't eat pumpkin now.
She don't know what I want there, but I'm glad, you know.
But I do love a pumpkin spice, and it's giving pumpkin spice and cake.
You can taste the pumpkin. Good. So is that thumbs up?
It is 2 actually.
Ooh.
2. No. Sorry.
It's fine. It's okay. You're enjoying it, girls. That's fine.
Robin, it tastes like pumpkin spice are true.
Oh girl, you're making my head swell.
Now you know. It tastes like pumpkin spice are true.
Oh gosh, I'm happy. I'm happy you like it.
Yeah. So you guys know if you want to order, you have to fill out a form, right?
Yeah, so you go follow me on Instagram at blissfuldesserts_JA. I'm sure she'll be posting the link, right?
Right here.
And you fill out the form, and the sale would be October 29th to 31st, and the deadline for orders is Monday, October 27th at 8 p.m. So please place your orders before then. If you've never had this before, guys, come and try it. Like, you heard it from the girl herself, right? And she's not a pumpkin girl at all. She don't like pumpkin. You don't really like pumpkin.
Oh, it's imagine
Right?
pumpkin spice.
So the fact that she likes it, it's good. So give it a try. Yeah.
10 out of 10 recommend.
Ooh.
If you don't want a pumpkin spice, buy a carrot cake. Buy any other cheesecake. Look at that boy for cake. And if you're married, if you have a birthday, if you have a baby shower, and I think it's just cake, you can get cupcakes. So
Anything you want.
Go and check out the page.
Anything at all. Anything at all. What do we say? What do they say nowadays? Clock it. I'm so old. Oh my god, I'm so old.
Robin, please, for the love of God. That killed me. This is me after a very rough weekend of work. It's Heroes Weekend. This clip that you're seeing is actually today. If you're watching this on Monday, the day that I uploaded it is actually today. I've been working at some parties over the weekend, marketing a brand. Because you guys know I work for a marketing agency. I think you guys know that. So we were marketing a brand and end up say I never get to edit the vlog. So I'm gonna edit the vlog now and post it. I have work today again. I'm gonna try it up and finish edit it. I started, so too bad. But I'm gonna finish edit it, upload it, and have it ready before I leave to go to work. And yeah, I'm not gonna lie, my mash up, I'm completely torn up. I feel like one truck licked me down, and then on top of that, my cycle go start this morning. I'm just having a very rough few days, but everything I gonna make sense soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. I really tried my best with it. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.